What is going on, boys? It has been a minute since I've been on the bike. I haven't ridden in like over 2 weeks. Just been taking care of a few things, but I got some new stuff added on the bike, which I will show y'all in a later video. This video is just gonna be more of a talking video, honestly. Just a little update video. Originally, my GoPro had fallen off my helmet, so I remounted it, and it's on what I think was the right angle, so we're gonna have to see in this video if I have to change it or not. Yeah, so that was one of the things that happened. The other thing was, it's been a year since I lost my best friend, so I kind of took some time off to just reflect. My buddy Cole, y'all have seen him in almost all my videos. He's one of my best friends that I like to ride with. His bike had some issues, so his bike's been down for like over a month, and I personally just don't like riding by myself. I bought a leather jacket. So the story of the leather jacket was, I got the one I wanted, like looks wise and everything. It's the perfect jacket. However, the whole point of me going to Cycle Gear was to get fitted for a leather jacket, to get the sizing correct so I know what to order. So I got sized at Cycle Gear for a 52, which I thought, because I'm skinny, I'm tall but I'm skinny, which I thought was going to be way too big. So the lady at Cycle Gear, if you're seeing this for whatever reason,
you're fired.
Because you could not have been more off on my sizing. I'm not a 52, I'm a 48 is what I actually got sized as by the right person. We had to sell that jacket. I ended up ordering a 48, and I need to get it tailored because I'm tall and the 48 has shorter sleeves, so I'm getting the sleeves extended and the torso extended. So I'm waiting for that to come in, and I don't really want to ride without a leather jacket. I don't like it. So that should be done this coming week. Stuff should be getting back to normal here in like the next week or so. Right now we are currently heading to the dealership. BMW has like these little fairing clips, like the little metal fairing clips, and one of them broke. So and like I can't loosen or tighten the screw anymore. Yeah, so back to the fairing clip. I'm going to get that fixed. Y'all can probably hear it in my voice how fucking cold I am. It is so cold, dude. Oh my god. Let's go, baby! We're being a good boy. Yeah, my buddy's bike is basically up and running. His fork seals are going to be replaced this week, and then he's good to go. So content should be coming back real soon, and the dynamic duo will return again. I'm just gonna scooch on by you guys. Thank you. Are y'all like more of summer or winter people? Or spring or fall? See, Texas, we don't have a spring or fall. We got summer, we got winter. It's gonna be 90 degrees one day and then 40 the next. But to me, winter is anything below 55. I know that sounds pitiful, but I am a weakling. I have no meat on my body. I need maximum heat. I'm in a hoodie, a t-shirt, a sweater, and another sweater, and I am shivering. I don't really know what exit I need to take. Yeah, I have literally no idea. So we're just gonna wing it and hope that we end up at the dealership. Oh, I smell some barbecue. Oh my god, that smells so good. Yep, that smells over there for sure. I can sniff that shit. Red Robin, yum. You like that, huh? Or else that would suck. I see a motorcycle. I think we're going the right way. The question is, BMW. Where do we park? We'll go right here. Beep, beep, beep. We are finished at the dealership. They were able to break the bolt or whatever they had to do and replace the clip, so we are good to go. I'm just gonna head back and that's gonna wrap this one up. Didn't really, it cost, dude, I just paid $4 for a $1 bolt and $200 for them to extract the bolt that they did in less than an hour. And they say owning a BMW is not expensive. It's ridiculous. That's Cole back there. Shout out to him for picking me up and not making me have to stay there the whole time. So yeah, we're just gonna head back. The bike is now fully good. Like, I'm ready to ride again. I'm just waiting on him to get his bike fixed, which will be this week, and then we'll be back. We'll be back in business. But it feels so good, dude. I heard there's a lot of cops, so we're gonna be chilling. That always feels good. Yeah, brother. Just trying to pump up some more content for you guys, so if y'all got any like ideas of like some videos I should make or collabs with people, drop them down in the comments. I'd love to hear them. If y'all want like a bike tour, anything like that, y'all just let me know. Look at my buddy. Should I get rollers of his truck? Fogging up. I gotta get gas. We gonna have to make a pit stop. This is my bike. If y'all haven't seen it, it's a 2021 BMW S1000 RR, and I love it. So stupid. What are you getting? A White Claw. Nice one. It's 2 for $5.
Kiwi, strawberry. I need caffeine. Tons 160 milligrams? What kind of bullshit is that?
What do you need, more?
Yeah. I need
Dude.
300.
This guy's an addict. I don't really know what's going on today, so we're kind of just going with it. But yeah, we're gonna see what's up. We're going to see. Whoop, whoop. Hello.
God damn.
What's up? I kind of want to shit on this vet. Should I go shit on him?
Okay. I'll let you go.
Alright. Oh shit, there's shit all in the road. Oh, what happened there? Guy on his, there's a 360 cam. This guy on this Lexus has a 360 cam. He wanted to play, but I lost him. Those guys are cool. I like them. I need to figure out who that is, bro. That was fun, dude. Oh, that was actually kind of hype. I like that. If y'all enjoyed this little video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the little notification bell so y'all get notified when I post. We'll catch y'all in the next one. Ride safe, and peace out.